In this video, we will be seeing how to modify the column of existing table and how to modify the existing columns data type. So here using the modify column along with alter table, we can modify the existing columns data type in the existing Oracle database table. So here we will be using modify column to modify columns data type. So for that, the syntax is alter table, table name, modify keyword followed by the column name and the new data type to which you want to change the old data type. So this is the command using which we can modify columns data type in already existing Oracle database table. Now let's see it practically. So there is a table called student table, for which you can see here the description as IDs of type integer, name varchar 15 is the letter limit, course has varchar 10 as the letter limit. So I want to make the course letter limit from 10 to 20. So for that I will be using alter table. Table name is student table. I want to modify the column course. So modify course and I will be giving the new data type as varchar 20. So you can see table is altered, and now if I see the description, I get from varchar 20 it is changed to from varchar 10 it is changed to varchar 20. So you can see we have modified the data type using the alter table with modify. So thank you for watching the video. So for more updates on SQL commands and more on alter table command, please do subscribe the channel. Not only SQL, but also you will be finding other computer programming languages on this channel.